Hey guys, welcome back to the taste testing. We are going to be doing Pringles. This is probably the first time I'm doing food this time. But we got all different flavors. This is just to tell you what my taste buds are and the aftertaste and what it smells like. So, yeah. We are going to start with cheddar and sour cream. We're just going to get one chip out. Smells good. But definitely tastes like sour cream and onion. Yeah, definitely. It does taste like cheddar and sour cream. Definitely. Aftertaste, not so bad. Yeah, I like that. That was good. I do recommend you guys to get these. And it's really good. I'll just put these on the side. Okay, we are going to get to sour cream and onion this time. Just one chip out. Smells definitely like sour cream. Ooh, that tastes really good. I can taste the onion to it. Yeah, I could taste the onion to it. It tastes really, really good. Surprisingly, yes, it tastes good. Aftertaste, not too bad. Stays in the back of my throat. Okay. That's another one I really recommend you guys to get. It's really good. Okay, now we're gonna get to cheddar cheese. Okay, some of these are broke. Hold on. I want to get a full chip. Doesn't really have smell to it. That tastes really good. Definitely cheddar cheese. That does taste like cheddar cheese. Aftertaste, not too bad. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna do pizza flavors. Yeah, it definitely smells like a pizza. Oh, it smells really good. Yep, that definitely tastes like a pizza. Most definitely. Definitely, it tastes like a pepperoni pizza. It tastes really good. Aftertaste, not too bad. Still taste it in the back of my throat, but overall it's good. Okay, now we're gonna do barbecue. Smells really good. Yeah, smells definitely like a barbecue. Tastes really good too. Yeah, that tastes really, really good. Aftertaste, not too bad. Still taste it in the back of my throat. Yeah, I like that. That's another one I recommend you guys to get, barbecue. Alright, we're going to do the last one. Ranch. Ooh, that smells really good. Yeah, it definitely smells like ranch. It tastes so good. That tastes really, really good. Aftertaste, not too bad. I still taste it in the back of my throat. I like it. The taste on them, it stays in the back of your throat a lot longer than the others. So yeah, it's really good. Alright. I'm going to end the video here. If you have any questions or concerns, please put it in the comments below. Read all comments. John, how many likes? Let's do 2 likes and hit that subscribe button. I'm on the road to 10 subs. Alright, peace out.